Performing a factory reset to restore Wi-Fi setup mode for the HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 6000, 7000, 7300 printer series. When you are setting up your HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 6000, 7000, 7300 printer series and turn it on for the first time, the printer will automatically be in Wi-Fi setup mode. If the blinking Wi-Fi button was pressed before a connection was made with the HP Smart app, the printer will exit Wi-Fi setup mode and it will not be possible to connect to the printer wirelessly without performing a factory reset. This video will explain how to perform a factory reset on your HP SmartTank printer. Note: in order to open the ink access door, the scanner lid must first be closed. Then open both the scanner lid and ink access door together by grasping and lifting the gray handle on the left side of the printer. Lift the ink access door. If the ink tanks are filled with the ink, wait for the carriage to move to the center and stop. If the ink tanks are still empty, proceed to the next step. Press and hold the information button until all the buttons on the panel light up. Then, hold the information and cancel buttons at the same time for about 6 seconds until the left side of the display shows a double zero symbol and the Wi-Fi button begins to blink. The warning and printer symbols will disappear. Close the ink access door. All of the buttons will briefly light up and blink once. A loading icon will appear on the left side of the display and remain present for roughly 40 seconds. Once it disappears, the Wi-Fi button will begin to blink. Once the Wi-Fi button blinks, the factory reset is complete and your printer is now in Wi-Fi setup mode. You can now use the HP Smart app to connect to your printer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.